In the last 60 days, my brand new dropshipping store has gone from zero to over $50,000, and every single ad running literally right now was made entirely by AI. I'm not paying hundreds of UGC creators, and I'm not spending hours editing. I'm just using one tool that lets me generate 9 professional ads in 10 minutes at like 35 cents a video. And today, I'm walking you through the exact AI ad creation process that has generated our clients over $50 million and counting. So if you've been struggling with creating ads or just find it to be too expensive for both your wallet and schedule, this video is for you. Now, before I get into the process, let me explain why I use Higgsfield specifically and show you 2 example ads that I created with it. The core feature here is simple. You paste a product link and then you upload one photo of yourself or of your customer avatar, and then Higgsfield turns that into a variety of video ads. You can use different formats like UGC testimonials, tutorials, unboxing videos, product reviews, TV spots, whatever that you prefer. But the reason that I use this over other AI video tools that I've tested, and trust me, I've tested a lot of them, comes down to one thing: consistency. When you upload your avatar, it locks that face across every single frame of every video that it generates. The person or the product doesn't morph, the lighting doesn't randomly shift, and the environment stays stable. That matters because when you're running paid ads, people always notice inconsistency. And there's actually a recent study on this which showed that 94% of first impressions were design related, with users forming those opinions in 50 milliseconds. So if something looks off or seems sloppy, they will scroll right past it because it comes off as untrustworthy, which is the worst thing that your ad can be. But Higgsfield uses a model called Dance 2.0 under the hood, which is designed to keep everything locked in throughout the video. And I've tested other tools that use different models, but to be real, none of them have been able to fix that problem yet. It's subtle, but it is enough to tank your performance. Let me go and show you what I mean. Okay, so here's the first ad that I created with this steering wheel. And this product is just that gaming steering wheel that people use to make playing the games feel more realistic. And this character right here that I ended up putting in here as the avatar was just some random person that I just picked off of Google. Now watch this video and look at how crazy this is. Pretty nuts, right? I mean, it's so crazy what AI can do nowadays. But I want you to notice a couple things throughout this video. So for one, you can see that the avatar stayed consistent throughout the whole video. This is the exact avatar that you see now, showing that they're using the product. Now the video is transformed and now you see that same person inside of a car moving in real time, which is the same person. So you see that consistency. All the way down to this clip right here of the person literally smiling and showing an emotion. That consistency is absolutely crazy. I want you to also notice how the product stays consistent throughout the entire frame. And it's multiple different angles. You can see that this is the product right here in a still frame, and all the features that you see inside the steering wheel are in hyper detail when you're actually looking at the video itself. I mean, look at the steering wheel right here. That looks as real as it could possibly be. But it doesn't just stop there. It continues to keep showing the product in use, even with the back angle of the product like you're seeing right here, which is not shown in the screenshot above. Just crazy how AI does that. And even with this end scene, I mean, the product looks super realistic, and even the smoke doesn't glitch or move unnaturally. So honestly, this is a really good ad for just the small prompt that I gave it. Now, this is a more cinematic ad, but it does display the quality nicely. Now, to make this even more relevant, let me show you a UGC ad that works best for dropshipping and is also where Higgsfield really shines.
I really like this one because it's not sticky at all.
Now, you can't tell me that that can't be ran as a dropshipping ad. And this is the same exact thing I did before. I uploaded some random picture of an avatar I found off of Google. Here's a product, and then this is the video that it was able to create. And you're noticing how hyper realistic this looks. I mean, look at the background and look at all these little features and the water bottles and the bed and even the linings on the bed. It really looks like this is someone who is truly using this product in real time. And we all know that UGC creation is going crazy across dropshipping. I mean, everybody wants to see real people using the product. And it's expensive as hell and time consuming to take a product, send it over to a UGC creator, and wait for them to actually send you a video back that I was able just to go ahead and create in less than 30 seconds. Also, throughout this entire clip, you're seeing super realistic facial expressions. The mouth movement when talking is actually like real. She has natural blinking. You see her hair moving when she's moving her head. Again, with just a simple prompt, it's just crazy how this was able to be made. And I mean, this is honestly could be ran as an ad today. And listen, I used to be a big believer that AI generated content looked cheap, and you could probably agree with me, and honestly most of it does. But listen, when I tested similar AI ads like the ones I just showed you against real UGC creators in my ad account, they perform within 5 to 10% of each other on click-through rate and conversion rate. So the question became, Do I pay $150 to $300, which is the average rate per UGC video in 2026, and wait days for delivery? Or do I pay 35 cents per video and get it finalized in under 3 minutes? Well, when the performance is nearly identical, the choice is obvious. But enough talking, let me hop on Higgsfield and I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I create them. And after that, I'll give you a detailed guide on making sure that your ad is actually a winning ad, driving people to buy. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the setup and navigation. So after using the link right below this video, it's gonna take you to this homepage right here of Higgsfield AI. Now what you wanna go ahead and do is click Marketing Studio in the top left. So after you complete that, step one is go ahead and choose your avatar. So to do that, go ahead and click Create Avatar button. And I'm just gonna go ahead and upload this one photo of myself. Now that I have this photo uploaded, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the avatar that we just created. And what this is now going to do is it's gonna lock your face across every single video, making sure that you're using the same person in every single scene with every single format. Now that we have the avatar locked in, let's go ahead and do step two, which is adding the product. So go ahead and click the Add Product button. And now what we wanna go ahead and do is open up Amazon in another tab. And here we can just find any product, like for example, resistant bands or a portable blender, whatever we wanna go ahead and choose. For this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a portable blender. Now I'm going to copy this product URL and now I'm going to come back over here to Higgsfield and paste it into the Marketing Studio. Now that that's in, let's go ahead and click connect. And now you can see it's starting a process with it saying creating product. And as you can see, it's also going to be pulling in product information automatically. So I don't even have to do any of that extra work. Now what we want to go ahead and do is go ahead and select the product. Now step 3 here is to configure the settings. Now here we want the aspect ratio to be 16:9, but if you're going to be doing like TikToks or Reels, you can use 9:16. Resolution, we're going to go ahead and do 1080p. And then for the length, we're just going to go ahead and do for this example 8 seconds, but you can adjust this based off of anything that you want. You can go longer than 8 seconds. You're not just stuck to that time frame. And now here we have a couple different options for ad format, but I'm gonna go ahead and select this one here for now. Now that we have all that done, step 4 is to go ahead and generate. And here we want to go ahead and select TV spot or UGC. It's honestly your preference. I'm gonna go ahead and just do UGC. Now let's go ahead and click generate. And now you can see that it's processing, and this takes anywhere between like 2 and 3 minutes to get done. Okay, so it's now finished. Let me go ahead and show you the final version of what it created. Crazy, right? And this only took me a couple of minutes. If this was this easy, I mean, you can only imagine the amount of content that you can really put out nowadays. You're noticing throughout this entire ad that you're seeing my face and it's not moving per the screen. You're seeing the product actually being used in real time. You're seeing that consistent background throughout the entire setting and even different frames to keep the attention going. So honestly, the fact that this is AI is still just mind-blowing to me. And that's decent. This is only with a little bit of prompt. I didn't really do too much, so it's cool for it to be out the gate, but I definitely know we could take it a little bit further. That's how you create the videos. Stupid simple. But like I said, knowing how to generate videos does not make you money. You still need to understand what makes an ad actually convert. And that's what I'm about to show you. How to take this tool and use it to create ads that turn viewers into buyers. And if you want to try this out yourself, the link to Higgsfield Marketing Studio is in the description below. You can test it out and you can even see the results for yourself. But for now, let me go ahead and show you how to make those ads into winning ads that actually drive traffic instead of just looking cool on someone's feed. And this is where it's easy to mess up because many people think that the tool does the work for them, but it doesn't. You see, the tool does give you professional looking output, but you are still responsible for making that output persuasive. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and give you 3 fundamental parts of any dropshipping ad. And then I'm gonna show you how to execute each piece using Marketing Studio. Start off with the hook, which is the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. And this right here is going to be 70% of your success, because if the hook doesn't stop the scroll, people won't stay to watch the rest. So a good hook needs to do 2 things. It needs to call out the target audience and tease a specific benefit or problem. So a bad hook is something like, check out this product. A good hook though is like, if you wake up with back pain every single morning, this is for you. That's giving us a clear target audience of people with back pain and a clear promise to that target audience, which is the solution is coming. So when you're setting up your ad in the Marketing Studio, you control the hook through the formats that you choose. If you use UGC format, then the hook needs to be the first thing that the avatar says. TV spot format, well then the hook is the visual, like something that makes you stop and ask, whoa, what is that? The next phrase of the ad is the body, and here is where you're gonna be selling the product. So once you have the attention from the hook, you then need to do 3 things. Identify the problem, introduce a solution, and show the mechanism. So the problem, for example, is like, tried everything, stretching, new mattresses, painkillers, and nothing works. Then you follow that up with a solution like, this is a lumbar support pillow that is designed by chiropractors. And then lastly, you hit it with a mechanism like, it aligns your spine while you sleep so you wake up pain-free. The mechanism is the why it works explanation, because you have to understand that people are not going to buy products, they buy outcomes. And the mechanism is what bridges the two, and it's often the most overlooked part. And with Marketing Studio, the tutorial and product review formats are built for this, as it walks you through the product and demonstrates how it works, so it's a perfect format for this. Now, right after the body comes the call to action. Now here, you do not want to be cute with this part, because this is where the conversion is made. And here, all we get to do is just tell people exactly what to do next. Like tap the link below or shop now to get yours before they sell out. That's it. Clear, direct, and urgent. Now let me go and show you how to add these elements into Higgsfield so you're left with a winning ad ready to launch. And I'm gonna go with this Guru Nanda whitening strip. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the link, and I'm gonna head back over here to Higgsfield, and now I'm gonna go ahead and paste the product. And now you see that it's currently in processing. Now I'm gonna head over here to Pixels, and Pixels is a great place to get high quality images or high quality avatars for free. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this girl right here, for example. Now I'm gonna come over here to avatar. I'm gonna create avatar by clicking upload photo. And now I'm going to upload this from the device. And you can also do it a more simpler route by just using the avatars that they already have available. But I just wanted to show you that you can use anybody that you want with this. All right, we got her uploaded. I named her Michelle, and let's go ahead and create the avatar. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and select her and click generate ad. And now for the aspect ratio, I did select 9:16. I'm gonna come back in here and turn 720 to 1080p. And I'm gonna change the time from 8 seconds to 10 seconds. And now I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate. All right, it's finished. Let's go ahead and check out the ad that it created.
These Guru Nanda whitening strips are dry and non-slip. So comfy. It's a 16-day kit and I'm obsessed.
And again, that is without giving it any prompt. And you can even see within the first 3 seconds that she really did highlight the problem.
These Guru Nanda whitening strips are dry and non-slip.
Saying that they're whitening strips that are dry, they're non-slip, because we all know that that's one of the major problems when you're buying whitening strips, is that they're always moving all around. So she immediately called out the problem and the solution within the first 3 seconds. Now I can just add a couple quick revisions to get the final version. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is very similar to what we just did on the first example. And this is just the basic format that it just gave me. And now I just wrote out an additional prompt saying, add in the hook where it immediately calls out the problem to stop the scroll, fix the body where it shows the product being in use, and make sure that there's a clear call to action at the end. Let's go ahead and see what it comes up with.
Stop scrolling. If your teeth look yellow in photos, try these. Guru Nanda whitening strips are dry so they don't slip. I put one on and keep moving. My smile looks brighter. The 16-day treatment comes with 32 strips. Click shop now to get yours.
Even better than the first one, and now you see the call to action. You're seeing an even better hook. So honestly, if you're just prompting this with what you want, you can get the final result so easily. But it doesn't just stop there. We all know with marketing, you want to have multiple different angles, right? Well, watch what happens when I use this next feature called the wildcard feature. All I do is scroll down over here and where it says UGC, I click on the drop down, and I come over here and click on wildcard. So basically what the wildcard feature does is it just allows AI to take the full control over the visual output. So really you're just giving Higgsfield that ownership of the creative direction, which allows you just to get so much more output from just the first video that you created. The extra video was created by Higgsfield, giving them that full creative direction. Let's go ahead and check out what they came up with.
Stains taking over coffee, wine.
Okay, not bad. I mean, for them having that full creative direction and me not giving any input, this is definitely a whole other variation of ads that I could potentially run with. And in today's day and age, you need as many pieces of content as possible. So the fact that I was able to create these 2 ads in less than only a couple of minutes shows that if I would have put like an hour behind this, I probably could have walked away with 10 to 15 ads that I could start running with right now. And that's the whole breakdown, the whole process of how I create ads that scale my brand new dropshipping store from $0 to $50,000 in less than 2 months without breaking the bank or wasting hours doing it manually. You have to understand that the advertisers that are winning on Meta and TikTok right now are testing 20 to 50 new creatives every single week. And that type of volume isn't possible when each ad costs $200 or takes days to build by hand. AI is what makes the testing pace even more realistic for someone without a full production team behind them. Which brings me to this. If you want to actually put this method to work, and right now we're giving out a $10,000 cash prize just by using the exact tools and strategies I laid out in this video, splitting this up to 2 winners, $5,000 and $5,000 cash prize for whoever creates the best ad using these platforms. And the reason I'm bringing this up here specifically is because ad creation is one of the biggest variables that separates who wins and who doesn't win in this challenge. And the cash prizes don't stop there. The next bigger ones of like the $20,000 and $30,000 cash prize for whoever generates the most income with their store comes all from the foundation of creating a great ad. So the people who figure out how to move fast on creatives are the ones who will get the most data, make the best adjustments, scale, and get the best opportunity of winning. And the people who don't take action today and are slow on ads are the ones who are gonna run out of time. So if you're serious about winning this cash prize, it is 100% free to join with the link in the description right below this video. Get in, apply what you learned today, and let's see what you built. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.